this is my Wheelock NS, and I have a few alarms that were in the video, so I'm gonna move them. So this is my Wheelock NS. I actually got it recently. Oh.
Who are you talking to?
Sorry, my mom come here for just to watch me talk. So this is the access back of the parts. I just don't need to use these. So this is where the Candela selector is, but I'm not actually gonna mess with these because these may shock me. So I'm not gonna actually do that. So I might need to put that back. So yeah, these parts are for like a sub shock, a sub like inspection, I think, or whatever these are. So these are really annoying to pop in. Okay, there you go. Anyways, let's start the test. Alright, I think this one's code 3. Alright, so this is continuous. Here we go. That had to be loud. It might hurt my brain, but alright, that's gonna do it for today's video. And this is the alarm without the cover. So yeah. See ya.